Welcome back. Today we are diving into a nifty Chrome feature you might not know about it yet. Get ready to unlock the hidden reader mode feature in Chrome with this easy tutorial. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. First, launch Chrome on your device. Next, type chrome//flags into the address bar and hit enter. Once you are in, use the search bar to find the reading mode option. Toggle it on. Then restart Chrome by clicking the relaunch button. You have just unlocked the hidden reader mode feature, and there you have it. Now you can enjoy a clutter-free reading experience on your favorite websites. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more handy tech tips. Until next time, happy browsing. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking.